topic 1.2, classification of materials. If you look at this picture, you can see three circles, namely metal, polymer, and ceramics. What you can find from the metals? There would be steel, aluminium, brass, bronze, magnesium, titanium, nickel, and zinc, as you might be familiar with. And for the circle in blue, you might be familiar with the nylon, polypropylene or PP, polyethylene or PE or PET found from your water bottle. And for the last one in green here, their ceramics might be known as the construction materials like cement, refractory, glass, and for the advanced ceramic materials, there would be semiconductor. And if I give you one example of one purpose of using materials, here is the beverage can made from, of course, the metal. Here on your right, now the container changed to polymer, and on your left-hand side, it's now made of glass. So you can see three materials can serve the same purpose of application, depending on what the customer wants. And now, if you look in the overlapping areas here, as you can see from the pointing arrows, this area is named composite materials. And when the materials overlapping between metal and ceramic, there will be ceramic metal composite. The same thing happened to metal polymer composite in this overlapping area. And of course, the last one will be ceramic polymer composite. And if I talk more about composite, which is very important nowadays, there are increasing application of different types of composite. The first type of composite is metal matrix composites, or the MMC. This means the metal is the matrix, and it is reinforced with some higher strength materials. For example, in this picture is the silicon carbide that reinforced within the aluminum castings. The next example is the polymer matrix composite, or the PMC. It can be found very easily in the automotive application. This is the carbon fiber polymer composite. And for the last one is the ceramic matrix composite, or the CMC. As you can see, here is the carbon-carbon composite for the spacecraft. And if I want to talk more about the metal matrix composite, which is the special section of metal in this class, as you can see from the slide, this is the aero engine. If you look inside for get through the fan into the compressor section here, this shows you the compressor ring rotor made from titanium 6-4. 6-4 is named by adding aluminum 6% and adding vanadium 4%. And if we cut through this component, we can see that the titanium is just the matrix, and surrounding the high-strength fiber, which is the silicon carbide fiber, that make the overall material stronger, stiffer, and can work at much higher temperature for this type of application.